Hare Krishna, dear devotees, welcome to Mayapurvasi. This is an auspicious gardening video. Here you can see Mayapur mango plant and Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's arm Ghat mango plant. I got these mangoes as Prasadam in Prabhupad Pushya Samadhi and in Godrumadvip respectively. Now it is in my home as a plant in Tamil Nadu. I am going to transfer these from pots to ground. Let's get started. Dig the soil. This is ready. I am going to plant arm Ghat mango here. Let's dig another for Mayapur mango. Now the pit is ready. Let's plant Mayapur mango. Hari Bol. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. For more updates, please subscribe to Mayapurvasi channel. Hare Krishna.